In Jamaica, Sunday has a smell. It's the scent of rice and peas and chicken bubbling on the stove. But this isn't just about food. It's about tradition, culture, and rest. Back in the old days, Sunday was the only day off for enslaved Africans. So they'd save up what little they had, rice, coconut, dried beans, and make a full meal. Something special. It became a sacred habit. Cook big, eat good, give thanks. Even after slavery ended, the tradition stayed. Sunday became the day families came together. No rushing, no small pot. You season the meat from Saturday. You wake up to the smell of coconut milk. And when the food done, you rest, you talk. You might even go for a walk or play domino. It's not just a plate. It's peace. It's pride. It's the one day we make sure we eat like royalty. And that's why, no matter how high food prices go, rice and peas must cook on a Sunday.